Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, I am Semi, and for today we are doing a hair tutorial, and I had to do a voiceover for my intro because I wasn't happy with the quality of the video. In the beginning when I was doing my intro, I used my front camera instead of my back camera, so yeah man, it wasn't so great and I wasn't happy about it, so I had to do like a voiceover. So right now I am just tinting the hair. I'm using my face powder so that the hair blends quite well with my skin. And yeah, I don't know how many times I've said this, but I'll say it again. Just expect more of hair reviews because I love hair. Cool. So I hope you guys can see the difference. As if you guys can see, but yeah. So okay, so right now I'm gonna use my got2b freeze spray to lay. I think for me this is the easiest way to do it, because once ngenza kanjena I'll just brush or push it down the thingy. So I'm very late guys, panic. I don't like being late, but late but angithandi ukuba late, but again because ibalito it's like an hour drive, and it's still early in the morning, clamping the traffic, and I still need to fetch someone a gateway. For those who do know gateway, also to vlog, so she's gonna be helping me for the whole entire day. Yeah, the talking and doing, and I shame it's not in everything, I don't want to lie. Oh, the thing I like this guys, so I'm not gonna do much. So ngizofaka this elastic thingy, bend here. All right, so okay, now I'm not gonna do much because veil is it right, so I'm gonna be using my hot comb. I think I bought this for 200 kwenye ntombazana here in Devon. If you want my details, I can give you her details. Angazi laba bayibiza 400 600 suthiwe kwenze njani. I honestly angazi, mhlawumbe ahlukile, but to me it looks the same. So aside, so it's gonna be a vlog guys. I'm gonna be vlogging everything. I'm gonna be vlogging, so I hope you guys will enjoy. And so we're gonna have more vlogs. If you guys enjoy, I'll do more vlogs. If you guys don't enjoy, I have to go back drawing board yami and ngiqale phansi nje practice. I don't know ukuthi practice kanjani because practice like a vlog. Alright, so I think seku right manje. I waited for about less than 5 minutes I think, because I'm very late. And yeah, I'm late. triangulate. Shame. Let's see. How you guys can see. Okay. Okay. Let me solar the thingy, the glue that's showing here. Oh, Lord. Wait, Lily sheds back. Lalel. Assets. Alright, so now I'm gonna be cutting the lace. I just hope I do it like nicely, because I've never done it on camera, so fingers crossed. Perfecto. So okay, I think it's because I have makeup on, so there's like parts where I need to tint. So what I will do now is I'm gonna use this. I think I'm not going to tap look, but yeah, as in mang. So this is what I'm gonna do. Spray and then do like this, just to cover the front. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe here. It's just a glue now. My hair and I didn't launch, if you guys know it didn't launch. So yeah, and it didn't launch, so it's sort of like shows the land on the side. So in the realm, there's nothing I can do. My goodness, so early in the morning. Wrong for no lie. So I won't be laying any edges for today. Yeah, for this wig. That's HD. What? Do you guys know the HD lace frontals? Yeah, so my loves, so this is the final look. I love the hair, the quality, everything amazing. And I said I'm gonna put all the details in the description box. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfits. I have like a clip of my OOTD, but I'll also like do like a full video, and or I'll just put what's this, pictures. My mind, I think it's because I'm panicking. I'm very late, so I need to go. Gonna talk to you guys maybe when I leave now, because I just want everything a bit out of my room. So ngizokwazi nje cool down. Yeah, so let me go. See you guys later.
A few moments later.